So now I am running the code. This is our website and I will now explain the website. I will click on course. The course is open. Back to home. About education site is demo education platform using Flask in Python. Our goal is to make a learn simple. Back to home. Contact message anything Gagan mail and send. Here you have see your message. This is a simple website which I have made. Now I explain the code of this. They are using Flask, Quest, Quest URL, and app.root is used, and a def form function is used, and there is a HTML is used. Education site home, the title is main and style, area style is used, H1 heading is used, body and app.root course. For course there is HTML is used, same course list are there, doc HTML is used. Root about there is HTML used and content turn render temporary string is used. This is a full code of the website education website. I will save all. This is a full video of education website. Now I upload the video of YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. I hope you like this video and please